Do you know what this is all about? Do you know why we're here? To be out. This is out. And out is one of the single most enjoyable experiences of life. People, you know, people talk about we should go out. This is what they're talking about. This whole thing, we're all out now. No one is home. Not one person here is home. We're all out. There are people trying to find us. They don't know where we are. Did you read? I can't find him. Where did he go? He didn't tell me where he was going. He must have gone out. You want to go out. You get ready. You pick out the clothes, right? You take the shower, get all ready, get the cash, get your friends, the car, the spot, the reservation. Then you stand around. What do? You go, we got to be getting back. Once you're out, you want to get back. You want to go to sleep. You want to get up. You want to go out again tomorrow, right? Wherever you are in life, it's my feeling you've got to go.
Oh, I'm gonna make somebody love me. I'm gonna make somebody love me. And now I know that it's you. You're lucky, you're so lucky.
How's that?
Jerry! Well, he's a friend and he's so proud of you. He's a friend and I knew him before you. Oh yeah. Well, he's a friend and we're so proud of you. Your famous friend, well, I blew him before you. Oh yeah.
Tengo que una... Jerry. Frame her by the step.
I gotta make somebody love me. And now I know that it's you. You're lucky, you're so lucky. You're so lucky, lucky, you're so lucky, lucky, you're so lucky.